Today, I'll walk you through how to use Snapchat filters on video calls, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to enhance your video calls with fun and creative filters so you can make your conversations more engaging and entertaining. First, let's get started by opening the Snapchat app. If you don't have it installed yet, you can easily download it from your app store. Once you have it open, you'll be greeted by the camera view. This is where all the magic begins. Next, navigate to the chat section. You can do this by tapping on the chat icon, which looks like a speech bubble at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your list of conversations. Think of it like opening your mailbox to see who has sent you messages. Now, choose the conversation with the person or group that you want to video call. Simply tap on their name to open the chat. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Snapchat updates its interface from time to time, but the basic functions remain the same. Once you're in the chat, look for the video camera icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This icon is your gateway to starting a video call. Just tap on it, and you'll initiate the call. It's like pressing the play button on your favorite song. While you're on the video call, you can swipe the screen to access the available filters. This is where the fun really begins. You'll see a variety of options, from cute animal ears to whimsical effects. Just swipe left or right to explore the different filters, and tap on the one you want to use. It's similar to flipping through a magazine to find the perfect outfit. You can try on different looks until you find the one that suits your mood. And there you have it. You're now ready to use Snapchat filters on your video calls. Remember, these filters